Today, how people communicate has changed. Distributed teams, mobile users, and overwhelmed tools used in organizations has brought complexity and challenges to IT professionals. The existing legacy phone systems cannot support all these rapid changes and demands for easier and more efficient communications. These systems require consistent IT resources to keep the systems running, so your business can continue. They are not only difficult to manage, but also expensive to maintain. Moreover, these siloed communications tools sitting in an organization not only reduce the employee productivity, which impacts the bottom line, it also increases the security risks that could potentially cost the company the loss of revenue, customers, and reputation. Fortinet has a solution for you. Fortinet Unified Communications is an all-inclusive solution with integrated HD voice, conferencing, and fax. Without additional add-ons and expensive per-user subscription, your employees can enjoy the quality calling experience and efficient collaboration. A web-based administration console gives your IT the visibility and control of your Fortinet communication system across offices. You can easily deploy, manage, and provision your devices and extensions from anywhere with ease. As an industrial-recognized leader in security, Fortinet includes the latest technologies in its FortiVoice and FortiPhone products to safeguard your conversations and ensures business continuity, so you can have peace of mind from a trusted vendor to protect your network and communication system. To learn more about Fortinet Unified Communication Solution, visit Fortinet.com.